There are men and women who are abusive, toxic and abusive individuals with narcissistic traits who try to destroy you. Some, after divorcing those type of individuals, those individuals literally recruited an entire team of individuals that believed the delusional stories, and they went up against you. Some even do it in court. And yet, the truth always comes out. All darkness, all evil things that are done with an evil intention against someone who stands in truth, eventually, it all comes out. Can you imagine how powerful you are to have been one of those targeted individuals? You are powerful. A whole team of individuals tried to destroy you. And look at you. You're here, happy, blessed, living in your most authentic self. What are they? Think about that.